Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about LG Electronics stopper door part #4620JJ2009A. The LG Electronics stopper door part #4620JJ2009A is a replacement part for LG refrigerators. It is a plastic stopper that attaches to the door of the refrigerator and helps keep it closed. The stopper is designed to fit specific models of LG refrigerators and is made from durable plastic. It has two holes in the top for easy installation and comes with screws for mounting. The stopper helps keep the door closed, preventing cold air from escaping and keeping food fresh. It also helps reduce energy costs by preventing cold air from escaping when the do. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement door stopper for LG Electronics refrigerators. It fixes the symptom of a refrigerator door not staying open or closing properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by turning off the power to the refrigerator. 2. Remove the screws that hold the door handle in place and remove the handle. 3. Unscrew the screws that hold the stopper door in place and remove it from the refrigerator. 4. Place the new stopper door in position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. 5. Reattach the door handle and secure it with screws. 6. Turn on the power to your refrigerator and test out your new stopper door. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.oupourcommittesips to order residential appliance parts.